The benefits of meditation, a complete beginner's guide. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years and has developed across different cultures and spiritual traditions. Although it has ancient origins, modern science is just starting to understand its significant benefits. For newcomers, meditation might seem intimidating, but its rewards make it worth trying. This video is designed to help beginners explore meditation and discover its various benefits. Mental health benefits: reduces stress and anxiety. One of the most well-known benefits of meditation is its ability to lower stress and anxiety. It reduces the levels of the stress hormone cortisol, creating a sense of peace and calm. Regular practice can help decrease symptoms of anxiety disorders, including phobias, social anxiety, and panic attacks. Improves focus and concentration. Meditation enhances the mind's ability to concentrate and maintain attention. Techniques like mindfulness meditation train the brain to stay focused and resist distractions, which is especially helpful in today's busy world. Enhances self-awareness. Meditation helps individuals gain a deeper understanding of themselves. This self-awareness can identify harmful thought patterns and behaviors, leading to a healthier relationship with oneself. Insight meditation, for example, encourages introspection, leading to greater self-awareness and emotional intelligence. Physical health benefits: lowers blood pressure. Regular meditation can help reduce blood pressure, which is good for heart health. It helps the body move from a stressed state to a relaxed state, easing the strain on the heart. Improves sleep. Many people have trouble sleeping, whether it's falling asleep or staying asleep. Meditation can help by relaxing the mind and body, making it easier to fall and stay asleep. Mindfulness meditation is particularly effective for improving sleep quality. Boosts immune system. Meditation can strengthen the immune system. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, it helps the body's natural defenses, making it more resistant to infections and diseases. Getting started with meditation. For beginners, starting a meditation practice might seem overwhelming. Here's a simple guide to help you get started. Number 1. Set your intention. Before you begin, think about why you want to meditate and what you hope to achieve. This intention will help keep you motivated. Number 2. Choose a quiet space. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. It doesn't need to be a special room. It could be a corner of your living room or a quiet spot in a park. Number 3. Get comfortable. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, on a cushion on the floor, or lie down if that's more comfortable. Keep your back straight to allow better breathing and energy flow. Number 4. Start small. Begin with short sessions, maybe 5-10 minutes. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually extend the time. Number 5. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Pay attention to your breathing, the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Number 6. Be patient with yourself. It's normal for your mind to wander during meditation. Instead of getting frustrated, gently acknowledge the wandering and bring your focus back to your breath. Over time, you'll find it easier to maintain your focus. Overcoming common challenges in meditation. Starting a meditation practice can be very rewarding, but beginners often face challenges. Here are some common obstacles and tips to overcome them. Difficulty in maintaining focus. A wandering mind is common in meditation. Instead of fighting your thoughts, acknowledge them without judgment and gently refocus on your breath or a chosen point of focus. Using a mantra or silently repeating a word can help anchor your attention. Physical discomfort. Sitting for long periods can be uncomfortable. Ensure you sit comfortably with a straight but relaxed spine. Use cushions or a chair if needed. Doing yoga or gentle stretching before meditation can also help reduce discomfort. Doubt and self-criticism. It's easy to doubt your ability to meditate or feel like you're not doing it right. Remember, there is no perfect way to meditate. The goal is to practice and develop awareness, not to achieve a specific state. Be kind to yourself and trust the process. Inconsistent practice. Establishing a regular meditation practice can be tough. Set a routine that fits your lifestyle and try to meditate at the same time each day to build a habit. If you miss a session, don't be hard on yourself. Just start again the next day. Remember, meditation is a personal journey. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so try different techniques to find what works best for you. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the profound changes meditation can bring to your life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on meditation and mindfulness.